Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you've unlocked and upgraded Force Lightning. This increases range and damage. Hold the designated trigger for 1 to 2 seconds to build charge. Short taps fire weak bolts, full holds release stronger arcs. Aim with your palm and headset direction. The game uses your orientation to pick targets, so step slightly left or right to line up. Once charged, release to fire and watch the lightning arc toward the nearest enemy or conductive object. Once you can fire reliably, focus on chaining and combos. Lightning spreads best across metal or wet surfaces, so steer enemies near ships, railings, or pools. Aim for clusters and trigger a charged bolt to arc between foes. This conserves force energy. Make sure to interleave short saber strikes while lightning cools. This keeps pressure and opens enemies for a second burst. Also, upgrade or time cooldowns, so you're alternating 2 to 3 bolts with melee. To finish encounters, charge a high-power bolt after staggering enemies with saber hits. This often knocks down elite foes. Make sure to reset your stance. Step back 1 to 2 meters to avoid being swarmed and to regain tracking stability. If lightning seems inconsistent, first recalibrate headset tracking and rebind the lightning button in settings. If that doesn't work, reload the checkpoint or restart the scene. Doing this clears glitches and restores normal force responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.